Robin, the Vice President and the CIO for V-Guard Industries Kerala. We have been using, adopting and implementing technology pretty well over last 10 years or more. We have a very good product lifecycle management system called PLM Windchill, and that is helping us to really predict when our products will be released in what time. And it's also allowing even the designers or marketing and other, that consumer or customer expectation to be translated into product creation. I would name that as to be one of the main thing what we do. The second thing what I would like to say is we have a marketing transformation project where we work with the technicians, electricians, bringing in a proper influencer management system. We also have a system to connect to our secondary sales and the collect data. So we are pretty well currently being placed in marketing. So marketing and product development, two things which will differentiate V-Guard in the future will be product development and delivery capability and digital marketing. V-Guard is a consumer goods company, and we are still a brick and mortar company. Tomorrow we want to be an e-com company, to be D2C, direct to consumer. So we are looking at digital marketing, content creation, creating our own portal. These are going to be the next big thing for V-Guard, and as a CIO for me too. Thank you.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.